Good day and welcome to MCM's premises in Midrand, Gauteng. It's with great pleasure that I show you a delivery we're about to do. The client purchased two KP60 model double drum rollers. It's a very popular model for MCM. They've chosen the MCM KP60 because it delivers excellent performance in terms of compaction. With its two 600mm wide drums, it has an upgraded hour meter. Very easy to operate just with your basic controls, operator controls over there. It's got a reliable Honda engine, and overall the parts are straightforward, easy to come by through MCM, and we're about to do the delivery. So if you have any requirements for compaction equipment, MCM has a wide range starting from 325 kilograms all the way up. So get in touch with us, we'll be happy to help.